The graph shows worldwide snowmobile sales from 2000 through 2015, where x equals 0 represents 2000, x equals 1 represents 2001, and so on. Use the graph to work the problem. On the graph, we have worldwide snowmobile sales, where year is on the x-axis from 0 to 16 in increments of 2. Sales in thousands is on the y-axis from 0 to 250 in increments of 50, and we have the ordered pairs 0, 209, and 15, 151 that are connected with a straight line. What does the ordered pair 15, 151 mean in the context of this problem? The ordered pair 15, 151 means that the x-coordinate is 15 and the y-coordinate is 151. So let's remember what each coordinate stands for. The x-coordinate is the year, where x equals 0 represents 2000, x equals 1 represents 2001, and so on. And so for x equals 15, we're in the year 2015. And the y-coordinate is sales in thousands. So the sales in 2015 were 151,000. This coordinate, or this ordered pair, means that in the year 2015, snowmobile sales were 151,000.